Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the Pikachu model kit. Take a closer look at it. And there are actually 8 models. Dragonite, Charizard, Pikachu, which is the one I have, Venusaur, Blastoise, Rhydon, Clefairy, and Lapras. Also, I wanted you guys to know that it was made in 1995. The year it was released on, and I bought this in Mandarake, Umeda, Osaka. So let's get unboxing. So hi, I will describe the kit for you. It's a pretty simple kit. So as you see, there's only 2 sets of parts. So this is the front body, the back body. This is the tail, the ears, back and front, and these are some component parts, and these are the legs. Also, it's like a toy you can play with, so you can tune it up, and then it will walk by itself. So looking forward to see how it works, and I'm gonna assemble it. I'm assembling the mechanic part. Get this through like that, and as you see, you have to try to make it equal both sides like that. So the mechanic part, now we need to cut out the mechanic part I was talking about. B8 and B9. I mean B3 and B3. So I just assembled the mechanic part, and I'm gonna put it in. Let's see. That's the body. Okay. So it's not locked, but I guess it's not supposed to, but it's pretty good. Now the mechanic is complete. Take a look at it. So now I'm gonna put the back part of the body on. And as you see, let me try. Yeah, so it's working. I forgot one thing. Tail. Oh, I actually like the tail. It's like 3D. Most of them just go like this way. For instance, I have another Pikachu. For example, it goes this way. But I like how this Pikachu goes directly straight. So it is done. Let me just show you how to walk it. So it's pretty cute. And I'm finished assembling, and so this is the end of my video. Please like and subscribe.